Which wallet do you connect to your Hamster Kombat? That's very important. Hamster Kombat says you should connect your Ton wallet. Your Ton wallet. You should connect Ton wallet because it will be launched on Ton network. So just what you do, you just go to. You can use any Ton wallet you have, but if you don't have, and if you are a newbie, you go to your Play Store and search Ton. Search for Ton Keeper. Look at it. This one below here. The one below here, Ton Keeper, Ton wallet. Look at it below. Not the first one, no. The one below, Ton Keeper. Here's it. Just check. Any wallet you want to open, any app you want to open, check the publishers. They say it's from Ton Apps Limited. Check your own Ton Keeper. Is it from Ton Apps Limited? Check it well. Look at the before you install. Look very well. Look at the reviews and everything. Look at the reviews and all that. So before you install another type of app, there are many Ton wallets you can use. But me, I recommend Ton Keeper. Look at about this app. Wallet app for storing and sending and receiving Ton coins. This is the easiest way to send, send and receive Ton coins on the open network. The open network is the short form. That Ton you are seeing there is just the open network. You see? So just go back and click install. I already have it already. So you click install. You get it. You click install. Once you install it, you open it. And back up your seed phrase and your seed phrase and key phrase. Don't lose it. Back it up. Don't share it to anyone. Back it up. Store it somewhere safe. Write it down. Your key phrase and all that. Write it down. Then you connect it to your wallet, to your Hamster Kombat or any of the coins you are mining that require Ton wallet. Please don't make mistake. Know the what are they calling it? Know the wallet they ask for. Don't make mistake and submit the wrong wallet. So check the next video. The next video I will show you the settings you need to do in your Ton Keeper.